Welcome to question bank. Today's question is a 20 MVA 220 kV by 33 kV star delta transformer has leakage reactance of 12%. Then what is the reactance of transformer referred to low voltage side in ohms? So this is the question. This was also a GATE question, and now we'll see what is the solution. Here given that leakage reactance is 12%. That means reactance is always, in case of transformer, calculated in percentage or in per unit with respect to a base impedance. And this base impedance is always for the both primary and secondary, and we can say that this is for the transformer because the primary side will be referred to the secondary side and both primary and secondary will be considered for this percentage or per unit impedance. So here given is percentage reactance and asking for the LV side reactance actual value. So now we will find out the base value or the reference value. So here the data given 20 MVA, this is for 3 phase, this is for 20 MVA is for 3 phase, and for single phase this will be 20 by 3 MVA. And now per phase impedance in LV side reference to the base. So LV side voltage will be, LV side voltage is 33 kV, and this is the line voltage and this is also the phase voltage because this one is delta. So Z base, impedance base of LV side will be kV base square by MVA. So this is 33 kV square by 20 by 3 MVA. So this will be around 163.35 ohm. This is the base impedance for LV side. So what will be the LV side reactance? So this is the asking question, 12% of Z base. This will be 163.35 into 0.12. This will be equal to 19.6 ohm. So this is the answer, 19.6, option number C. And if in this case, if this is asked for the reactance referred to the primary or HV side, what will be the answer? Then we will do HV side. Here look at this, here HV side is 220 kV, and this one is star connected. So 220 kV is the line voltage. So phase voltage will be 220 kV by root 3. So now we can calculate the Z base, impedance base for HV side. What will be this one? This one will be 220 by root 3 whole square by 20 by 3. So this will be 2420, and the reactance will be same. Reactance referred to the primary side will be, reactance referred to the primary side will be 2420 into 0.12, that is 12%. This will be 290.4 ohm. So this is also can be asked. So thank you for watching up to here.